vehicle? Check out the 2019 Cadillac XT4. The Cadillac XT4 is a bold new crossover with functionality galore, compact in size but not in features, technology, and comfort, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, electronic stability control, compass, Sirius XM radio, heated front driver and passenger seats, power rear liftgate, front bucket seats, leather shift knob. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.